This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 24 Exception Handling II. The current topic explores advanced exception handling features in Java, covering techniques like handling multiple exceptions with try and multiple catch blocks, using a single catch block for different errors, and employing the finally clause for cleanup tasks that execute, regardless of exceptions. An example program demonstrates handling null pointer exception, arithmetic exception, and a randex out-of-bounds exception using separate catch blocks. Alternatively, multiple errors can be caught by a single catch block using the exception class, albeit sacrificing specific error handling. The finally block is executed whether exceptions occur or not, making it useful for error remedy or informing the user. Java also allows programmers to throw exceptions explicitly using the throw clause and create custom exception classes. The throws keyword declares multiple exceptions a method can throw. In addition to many other predefined exception classes in the java.lang package, Java supports creating user-defined exceptions. The next module covers handling such custom exceptions in detail. Key takeaways include handling multiple exceptions, combining exceptions in a single catch block, cleanup via the finally block, explicitly throwing custom exceptions, and declaring anticipated exceptions via the throws clause. To summarize, advanced exception handling in Java involves handling multiple exceptions with separate catch blocks, using a single catch block for multiple exceptions albeit less granularly, employing the finally block for cleanup code that runs regardless of exceptions, explicitly throwing custom exceptions via the throw keyword, declaring anticipated exceptions using the throws clause, and creating user-defined exception classes for custom errors. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.